show this time featuring shot shows from Sawyer and Penn Sessions. Be sure to check out all of our future shows where we will feature many great Japanese artists from a variety of genres who are part of the diverse and powerful Japanese underground music scene.
If you have any questions or comments, please send your letter to English Service, Radio Japan, Tokyo 150-8001 Japan.
If you are listening to us online, point your browsers to nhk.jp/rj and just click on Contact Us.
Finally, if you're ever in Japan, you can support local musicians by checking a live performance or jam session.
That's right. I'm Marcelo.
And I'm Eriko.
Thank you for listening.
You're listening to Radio Japan of the NHK World Japan Network. Here's a frequency notice. The broadcast at 5 hours UTC for Europe is on 5.975 megahertz. For South Africa, 11.970. And for West Africa, 9.860. The broadcast at 11 hours UTC for Southeast Asia is on 11.695. The broadcast at 14 hours UTC for Southeast Asia is on 11.705. And the broadcast for Southwest Asia, 11.935. We are always pleased to receive your comments and suggestions via mail or through our website at nhk.jp/rj.